How to speed up a video on CapCut Mobile. The steps that I'm about to show you work on both CapCut Android and CapCut iPhone. To speed up a video on CapCut Mobile, first of all tap on Edit in the lower left corner of the screen, and then tap on Speed. You will then get two options, Normal and Curve. For simple speed edits, use Normal, and if you want to get more advanced at it, have a look at Curve. For now we're going to choose Normal, and the standard setting is obviously 1x, which represents the original speed of your video. Now everything that is greater than 1x will actually speed up your video. So if you put it to 2x for example, then your video will be twice as fast as the original. You can make your video up to 100 times faster by setting it to 100x. Also, if you would like to make your video slower, you can do that as well, of course. Simply set a value lower than 1x for that. Once you have made a decision, tap on the tick icon in the lower right corner of the screen to confirm. As I chose 5x before, now when we will play the video, it will play 5 times faster than the original. Let's have a look. Now if you would like to get a little bit more fancy with it and have various different speeds within the same video clip, then instead of normal, choose curve. And you can then either choose one of these very nice templates here, or you could go with custom as well. For example, if you would like to have very slow speed at the beginning and then have some really fast acceleration, which then again turns into very slow speed, you could choose the jump cut preset. Let us have a look. Indeed, the clip now is very slow in the beginning, and then at a certain point it will be extremely fast and then will be slow again. Here it suddenly got really fast and now it's very slow again. For each of these presets you can then also tap on Edit and make further adjustments. Really cool stuff, right? So to summarize, if you just like to make your video faster and have the very same speed throughout the video, then you would choose normal, but if you would like to have various speeds throughout your video clip, then you would go with one of these curve presets here or even make your own. And this is how you speed up videos on CapCut Mobile. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more CapCut videos.